In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use text chat here in Rocket League, no matter what platform you're playing on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, let's go over how you can actually open up text chat. On a PS4 or PS5, you just got to press that touchpad down and the text chat box will appear. On an Xbox, you just have to hit the view button, which is the small little buttons with those two squares, and that text chat will open. And on PC, you just have to hit enter and that text bot will open up as well. You can plug a keyboard into your PlayStation or Xbox and press enter, and it'll also open up the chat. But once the chat is open, you can type in your message, and then if you are on console, just hit like right trigger to confirm and send, and then from here, hit done, and your message will appear in the left hand side of the screen. Now, instead of typing, you can also use quick chat, and you can use this using the touchpad or the D-pad. D-pad up means like I got it, D-pad down means sorry, and then of course the left and right ones are whatever other preset messages that you have them set to, and you can change those messages as well. If the chat option isn't working, go ahead and go into your settings, and once you're in your settings, go to this gameplay tab right here and find text chat in this section, and just make sure that you set it to allow all, team only, quick chat only, disabled. You can also change this in your interface as well if you don't see it in here, as well as in this chat section. But yeah, that is it. That is how you can use text chat here in Rocket League. We went over using it through the touchpad, the view button, and enter, typing in the message, or just using quick chat. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.